everyone. Welcome back. I'm Krishnanand Singh, and today's morning we are here to discuss about counseling series next video. So what is this video is all about? Can you see my this design? This is designed by me, and you all know I'm a fashion and textile designer. Well, so today's topic is what is the career and opportunity in fashion design, how NIFT give you the numerous options in fashion, and how this field is related to the courses are which is interlinked to each others. Well, so I am here in my studio, which is Renus by Gobind Kumar Singh, the label by designer Gobind Kumar Singh. And here we are here to today discuss about the career opportunity, how the FD as a career. So this is the series of each department, and where we'll discuss one by one, because most of you want us to make a video where we'll discuss about the career opportunity in particular department. If not that department, then which department you will get, then what is the career, not only being their own label like in industry. So we'll discuss being a fashion design, how this will help you to get into top-notch industry in the then how this course is 4 year in the college, why you should take FD, if not FD then what all department you should take. So there are a lot many points which I'm going to discuss one by one. So this entire video will give you overall idea of FD. If not FD, then why KD, why TD. I'll come there one by one, because the one very important, I think I've told you, and I have done TD, but I'm a fashion designer. Well, so how these departments are interlinked, that also we'll discuss, and based on your rank, the most important, where you will get admissions. So here the link is already given, go registered, because and we are that also, I'm from my bottom of heart happy to say that almost 2000, we are going to touch 2000. That many of you have registered us for counseling help. So we are promising, we are here to serve you happiness. We are here to give you the best what is possible, and behind I really want to say that behind me the very big team is working for all this. If we miss your message, if we miss your call, if we are not able to reply, we also feel bad equally, because I know you are in need and you need help. So being a small town guy, being from Patna, and somehow I faced many times such problem where nobody was there to help. So since 2013, the online, you met already our Subham students, though he taught online to you in that result day. Our team helped many of them from 2 decades. This Ignite team is igniting the societies so many ways. That is the offline, our curriculum and activities from Pan India. So we are ensuring you will going to ignite the society next. We are ensuring to give you a step-by-step all right information and guideline. Well, so next is we are starting here the discussion about FD, because that was you're waiting for. Make sure for all this what I talk, write your comment, because I am getting so many comment likes, and make sure subscribe and press the bell icon, because that is the most important thing you are going to do. That's how you'll get my videos first, So well, in this video, the next video I'm talking about, next video where I'll come, the first person who will comment, and that one will get a special gift. That's a promise. And couple of you are already winner. We'll announce the next week last 4 winner name also. So wait for that all. It's good you all are connected with us continuously. Well, so now next question is FD. What is FD? FD is called fashion design, the one of the oldest department in NIFT, which is from started from NIFT Delhi. You all know, started from diploma courses. Since 2005, NIFT has decided and they started giving degree to all students. So the next batch they'll get passed out from 2000 5, 6, 7. So from there onwards they are getting the degree, 4-year degree program, and that is in fashion design. Looking at NIFT having this fashion design program, after that I see many of the colleges, they started giving the similar degree, they all have fashion design, they all started giving a degree courses from their colleges. And that's the true things is, this is the one of the most demanding course. Everyone want to become a fashion designer, everyone want to become a Manish Malhotra or Sabyasachi. If you are from tier 2, tier 3 city or any of the cities in metro cities, no doubt sitting here in Bangalore also now I see from last 1 decade when we started going exam center meeting the students, the number got increased 5 times. In last 10 years this has become 5 times. The student, though they are interested in design and want their career. In fact, I see number of the design colleges in last decade here is got increased, like that's endless. There are more than 10 fashion colleges in fact only in this city. So if I have to name, I really need to count each and every one. So here I'm not here to discuss about that. Still being these things, fashion design having a lot of things. Let's talk about fashion design, how it's in college. First year you have a common, all department you have to study everything. Second year where you go in department, third year you have a department introduction where you learn each and everything, GC lab, pattern making, stitching, garment cutting. You learn all this practical things. On software you started learning tech pack and all, which helps you to get into industry. So these are things is interrelate when you are doing in college. Sometimes we also feel, okay, why I'm doing this, where is the use, yeah, like, but everything is related from their department to industry. There is a sync in between. Well, so that's continue fourth semester also. Third semester most important, every one of you have to make in one subject the one skirt. That's so nice, you know. So like that, the gradually in semester 4, semester 5, it's repetition. You learn stitching, you learn different pattern. By the time of semester 5 and 6, you learn Indian wear and all. And 7th semester, you make even jacket also. See this pattern wala, you know. So there are a lot many things you learn throughout this journey. So after end of the third year, you will have 2 months of internship, which is in all department, which you have to have experience in any of the industry, any of the brand and company you have to work. I did with People. People is the one of the value brand of Aditya Birla Fashion. So before that I worked with LP also, which I have already shared you. So in between also, if you want to do assign, like, you know, any project with the brands company and all, so the good thing in NIFT is you can do it. Because I remember my faculties are helping me to going in Lakme and other thing, taking my assignment early before the submission date. So it is a good thing in NIFT where there is a hardly gap in between the faculty and students. I see the both of them comes and they work in an equal platform, they respect each others, and the ideas are always most welcome in any NIFT if you have something. So that's how from second year onwards I was assisting the venue designer, working with venue designer, being a part of Lakme Fashion Week. We started doing our show with the level of Govind Kumar Singh. We had experience of Bangalore Fashion Week, Lakme, and also the industry exposure is very, very important for any student if you want to come in this field. And we'll make sure that in our counseling, our team will guide you about all this. Well, looking at the next step, next things which I would like to add on here in fashion design, which is the broader, because I want to change your mindset, you know, the what you know about the department, more than that department is, we don't value it. We know, okay, this is what I'm learning. Still people know, okay, this is the tailoring thing, but it is not like that. So every department, each semester you have to make your collection. You can have a show, or else you can go for you know, any brands, and you can work with the brands also. So if you have filled for the counseling form, so some of the department student, pass out senior, industry expert, that will come and will guide you what is this department is all it. This is the one common video I want to make, where I want to make sure that at least now onwards only you will have all basic information before that session. And many of you are not reach out to us, will not able to join that session from whatsoever region. So for them this video will helpful. Make sure that if you are interested, right here in comment box you are interested. If you are, let me know one more thing, yeah, if you like this jacket, let me know who want to get this one, you know, because I feel I love prints. This was like kind of my loves. I remember during my college in 2013, 14, 15 and all, I wear a lot. These days not. I thought, okay, this is about fashion design, so let's wear something. So do you really like on me? It is looking good or not? Let me know. That's also in the comment box. Don't send me personal message, because sometimes, you know, I understand you need to contact, you need answer of your questions, and somebody is ready to help. So obviously you will look for that. So I never feel bad. Don't say me sorry, so I have called you many times and messaging you. Don't say me please also, because I believe being a human, this is my responsibility. This is my social ethics and professional responsibility. So I'm doing my job. I am here to serve happiness, and I'm happy if you are liking it, you are enjoying it. And we are going to be 2000 people in today itself. I know many of you are going to register continuously. We are getting a registration, so it is a great belief from your side. So we never want to break it, but it's happened because we cannot answer everyone. There's a limitation. We tried sometime to go live on 4-5 platform. That's what we need to have, that support, where we are answering you on mail, we are answering you through the live sessions are. So please follow the same. Ask your as many as question you want here in chat box, because team can answer you. Ask as many as question you have in mail or any doubt. We'll make sure that the dedicated team is there to answer your mails. Well, so here again, coming back to FD department, this department is something which give you enormous opportunity. Oldest department of NIFT, kind of we can say the core department, but the reality is this department having a very great relation between textile and knitwear design. So if you are here till now in the video, so this information is very helpful for you, how the great relation is, because without textile you cannot imagine fashion design. So there are a lot many things we have to read even in theory. I remember there is a theory subject called basic textile, that is there in in there in FD. You have traditional textile history, those are there in FD department as a theory paper. Though FD student, they don't like theory, but they have to read and study all this, so that the newness and contribution and design things and the research thing will come in your work. Well, it's come to the print which you see on my surface. That's what the one of the reason I'm wearing it. This is textile job. A textile designer can know, okay, which cotton or silk, which kind of print will come better. So that also you let me know. Do you like this print on my this clothes? See from the closer view. Yeah. So what is the idea of this department? The holistic idea is of textile design. If you ask me in my word, kind of this is the core mother pran for at least for TD, KD or FD. So there's a great relation. Come in a counseling session, maybe in video if I'll explain you also, may not be clear. Again, we'll come for textile design department in next video, next series. If you're liking it right here, you want to know about textile. If you guys really want to know about textile, I want at least 100 comment. Okay, we want to know in detail in your word in textile, because I'm a textile alumni. So I'll make sure that in detail I'll tell you about the textile. Let me know, watch this video completely, show me your love, and I'm making sure that I'll make the video on textile design department. Next video will come for that. Yeah, well, but I'll wait for your comment. When I will get a must comment, then only I'll make that video. Well, now the relation between fashion design and knitwear design. India, unfortunately, we haven't explored much. Our country is still in knit, though we started wearing lot of t-shirts and all, but there is a great relation. Knitwear design in detail I'll tell in knitwear design video, no doubt, but right now today I'll tell you the similarity between knitwear and fashion. Although whatever you can imagine, GC lab, cutting, stitching, pattern making, everything is there in both department. The difference, the basic difference is, the one fabric is interlace, which is our woven fabric, which I'm wearing right now. T-shirt, you know, that is interloop and interlace. That is a basic difference. Now I'm making it more simple, आसान शब्दों में. What is interloop? आपने देखा होगा अपने गांव में, अपने घर में, अपने परिवार में, mom, maybe grandmom or somebody sitting and making वो ठंड में winter wear clothes. That is called interloop. Or interlace, you know, plain weaves, sudden weaves, and if you just type, you will see all woven fabric. That also people do by hand, khadi fabric and other things which you use. So that is the basic difference. One is interloop, one is interlace. So whatsoever is the knitted fabric, your t-shirts or your those winter wear clothes and all, that's come under knitwear design, and that you learn. Or internationally, it's having a very big market. Tomorrow, if you want to go in Milan and want to study there, your higher study and other things, so these are very important. So I thought I'm going very long, and I never like, you know, such long sessions. And I know we can keep going on, and you all love us also a lot, but yeah, looking at all this video is now this big. Let me know if anything more you want to know about fashion design department. and course career. In short, I'll tell you, you have a 3-4 different kind of a career in fashion design. If you will divide it, one is industry. In industry, you can get place in all top-notch brands. As a retail brand, I would like to say, like I'll name few: LP, Van Heusen, Ellen Solly, Peter England, like whichever it comes in your mind. Like top brands are like Red and Taylor, Armani brands. Then like yeah, few of brand which is very close to you. Most of you are buying from there. Zara and Forever 21. Yeah, these brands also need fashion designer, but true, they need even textile and knitwear designer also, which we'll discuss in there. So I don't want to make this video more and more big, but yeah, not only those retail brands, you have a job in export house also, though they make garment for all international or Indian market. There also they need fashion designer. You have a job opportunity in e-commerce also. That is called e-commerce platform, Myntra or Flipkart or Amazon, which there also they have e-commerce platforms are there. They need fashion designer. They have brands called Moda Rapido, Here and Now, Myntra. Then they have Roadster. Roadster is quite famous brand, So that's what like I'm keep going on. So this will be there in different department video also. So make sure that you keep watching us, stay with us, and one more important thing is spread love, happiness. Make sure do not feel like this is, after all this in the world, still if you are feeling bad for somebody, I don't think so. More than that, what nature will teach us. So already nature is teaching us and saying that nature is crying, kind of shouting and saying, please human, start loving for each other. So my message is today's video, please love for each other. I don't want next time send me a message saying that, sir, you are good, but that teacher and that mentor or that institute didn't respond. If somebody didn't respond you, that doesn't mean they are bad. They taught you so many months here. If your parents may be angry on you for a day, you will feel bad for them. Don't do that. Try to understand the next part. Like suppose somebody call me and I'm talking over the phone, and maybe next 4 of your call I don't attend, and I send message I'm busy, will call you back, and me not able to call you back. So for that person I am bad. Not like that. Don't think bigger. The day you will start think big, you will act big. Once you will big act, you will become a big person. Whatever you will achieve, first we have to become a human for doing anything. So this was the message for today, and if you like this message, comment here what is the existing idea you got from this message. Thank you so much everyone. Signing off here, Krishnanand Singh.